wheels. It's exactly how I would do it, especially if it's an old farm truck like that. And of course, I'd take those chrome bed rails off, unless you really need them for work. I'd take them off or paint them black or something. Just that stock OBS look, lifted, big mud tires, and that's definitely the way to go. And I'd turn it into a mud truck, and that's something that I've been saying for a while. I want to buy an old project truck. It'd definitely be something cool. All these guys buying these project cars. A project mud truck is definitely something cool. I get some gauges in here. What do you guys think? Not giving two shites today. Oh yeah, see ya. Truck is fast. The drink of the day is organic Amazon Energy. It has acai berries and pomegranate juice in it. It's pretty good. It's got the energy, of course. That's what we need. Proceeds go to farmers. Question of the day is, would I drive a Nissan Cummins? I would take that truck, yes. I would drive it, I would keep it, I wouldn't sell it, I wouldn't salvage. I would throw a lift kit and 40-inch tires on it, probably some crazy 22 by 14s or something. But then I would just beat the living shit out of it, off-road all the time, crazy videos, crazy content, because nobody does that. V8 Cummins, not gonna last as long, but check that out. New ZR1, 2019 ZR1 has been released. I like the wing, I like the new orange color. Just the other video I was talking about how I like orange trucks, so I definitely like the look of it a lot. Comes with a hefty price tag. You're talking $140, so out the door it's gonna be pretty expensive. That's what's holding me back, but other than that, it might be worth getting. Oh, look at that, lifted Duramax at Lauren Chevrolet, because I need to check something out real quick, and it's something crazy, and I'm sure you guys are gonna be really fond of checking this out. There it is, popping out of here on the stock height Ram Cummins. Not for long though, and we got this right here. I was looking through Craigslist because I always like to look at cool trucks and stuff on there. And check this truck out, man. These wheels aren't as big as to my liking, but they are pretty freaking nice fuel rims and bullet hole, so it brings that old look to it. 35, 12, 5, 17, so just like the 17s on the Ram, but of course those wheels are stock and chrome. Looks like we got what, a 2.5 inch spacer right there. I'm assuming custom shocks. Those Bilstein, yes, Bilstein shocks, very dirty Bilstein shock. Clean that up for you. Bilstein shocks, and of course the black bumper. New design grille, I love that. I love how the grille is black, but that's plastic, I mean, just like mine. And then I was assuming that this was also plastic, but the bottom bumper is actually metal. I need to get these tow hooks on the truck. It's definitely something I need to get still, and I want to get the cab lights too. As you can see, my truck is not looking anywhere near the same, and I would trade bumpers, and I don't know, I hope that they make the black ones with the fog lights. Clearance of this truck is so much better. Heard of this. So we're rocking probably about an inch and a half of stance. Not much deep dish here going on, but the frame looks like it's in very good condition. And of course, look at the traction on that. Very nice remodeled suspension design on the underneath. I heard that my suspension is actually better for spacer lifts, but I'm probably not going to take that route. I know nothing about the history of this truck though. Oh wow, the badging is different. I knew this was different, that better with the red words. It would look good with my truck. I should upgrade to these badges. Black handlebars, something I wish I always had. And it's open. Popping, holy crap, this is so much higher. I did not expect this to be open. Wow, look at the inside here. It's very simple. It seems like there's more stuff going on in my truck. Black steering wheel, black everything else. No chrome on the handles. Floor shifter for 4x4. We got the middle seat, although I don't know where you put your feet at, but this is actually what I'm looking for. And you got a manual. I'm loving this so much. Honestly, I'm loving this. Seats even have a similar design to my Silverado, so I guess they upgraded it the same year, but this is definitely what I'm looking for right here in the truck. Manual transmission. You got the screen here. I'm pretty sure it's touch. Wow, this is awesome. And of course, sadly, you got the DEF. And I'm sorry guys, I'm just so excited sitting in this truck. This is awesome. This is a 2016 Ram with the Cummins engine in it, and I honestly love this so much. This is honestly everything I'd want when it comes to a new Ram Cummins. It's a little dirty in here, but you know I'd religiously scrub it down for probably 6 hours a day until it's completely spotless. I must say the inside of this truck is honestly phenomenal. I love this so much. Just check that out. 3 pedals, man. Oh, that clutch goes so far. It feels so good. Let's see the brake difference. I have a limit on the brakes. My Cummins braking is so much different. Even the door, it just seems like it's more firmly in place. So it's the short bed. Honestly, I love this truck so much. It has the black bumper in the back. That's what I want to do, all metal. Doesn't seem like it has the reverse camera, but who cares? So look at that, man. They really did use this for work, but who can blame them? No back window. It reminds me of the Silverado. Just right here. Could you really tell? Maybe it's my Silverado. But yeah, let's look under here. Ooh, they definitely did change up the suspension in the rear axle as well. But as you can see, it's corroding pretty bad. Look at those wheels, man. I definitely want to go with fuel or something hostiles, something with that similar design. But man, this truck is so nice. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so looks like we are still running the stock exhaust emissions. I noticed that the muffler was under there, so this truck is not deleted. I'm sure there's all these rules that you can't sell these, especially at a big dealer like this. They're not gonna sell deleted stuff. Yeah, everything is stock underneath the hood here. I'm not really surprised. I think they want like 34. So let me know what you guys think of this truck. Should I be trading up for it? Should I trade my Cummins for this already? Going up to a bigger, better build. Obviously these wheels and tires would have to go. I like them. I mean, I like them better than stock. Not big enough for me though. And I definitely take out the spacer lift and go with the full lift. That's my plan. Let me just get a good picture of both trucks for you. Big differences right here. So there is just so many factors of why I love that truck so much. Extremely custom Duramax there. I'd be trading my Cummins for a brand new Z06. Perfect, the sun just came out and we got a nice Duramax. I've got to get my seatbelt on. They always had a 6-inch lifted truck out front, but now they don't. They don't even have that Duramax up there anymore. I guess it's sold. All right, guys, so back to what I was saying about that Cummins. The reason why I had to check it out is, of course, it was a newer model. It was a 16.
Honestly, I think the Cummins was probably the smoothest driving. It was that and the Duramax.
It was lifted, of course, with the level in 35. It's a manual transmission. Ram is the only truck brand that still makes manuals in their trucks. I know Ford and Chevy went completely automatic, which kind of sucks. So I'm definitely going to stick with Ram always when it comes to diesels, because eventually I do want to either swap to a manual, a G56 manual, or get a truck with a manual, because of course here I'd have to switch so much stuff up. I don't know if this is detachable and just take out this whole unit here and then put the shifter. I've driven it before. Not too good at it. So I do have something coming in the mail. I have it ordered by tonight. It's going to be something great, guys. It's going to be really cool. I think you guys are really going to appreciate and respect what is going to be coming here for the channel. It's going to be awesome. Oh my gosh. I think I just saw it. I think I just saw it. I just saw a brand new F-150. About an inch of tire. I'm sure it was 24-inch rims with stock tires. There's no way. The only way I'd go up that high is if I had 40s, 42s, 44s, 46s. The only way I'd even consider getting that big of a wheel. About to run some 52s on my truck. Second gen. Damn, I gotta be sitting up there. That's only quarter throttle. This Cummins is just so responsive. Big shout out to Anarchy Diesel. If you guys have a diesel truck, definitely go to them for your diesel tuning needs. And I'm sure they definitely do catered for Ford, Chevy, and Ram. It's so fun to drive, and if there's ever a big meetup, guys, and you guys are a fan, definitely give you a ride in the Cummins. So why I've been doing this is because I'm trying to get the shift points to relearn on the tranny. It's about time I do that, so I'm just gonna give it about 50% throttle. Oh, of course. There we go, shifted out pretty smoothly that time. It's hooking every time. So fun to drive this thing. Honestly, I've driven my Silverado for so long, and there's just something about a diesel, the amount of power and the turbo, the combination of both is just unbeatable. Chevy. Let's get those shifts points again. Pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth again. Oh yeah. Oh man. What the f was that? I think we did it. Nice sunny, beautiful day. America! All right, guys, so I think we're good to go now. She upshifts and downshifts, very smooth now. My name's Upshift Z71, pretty crazy, Upshift Cummins now. So yeah, I gotta love this truck, man. I think it's all good to go. It's definitely something you gotta do whenever you tune your truck. Of course, it's all new programming. I never treat the truck like that. I always drive very smoothly, grandpa truck, especially whenever we get those big meets on there. It's gonna really decrease power and efficiency, but of course, it's gonna look a lot better, and performance off-road is going to be times 10. So that basically does it for this video. Still gotta upgrade the brakes, and of course we gotta still do a lot more mods with the Cummins here, and I'm gonna plan it all out here very shortly. I want to get this content out for you guys. Of course, anything that I do regarding both trucks, I want to make sure you guys know through my videos on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Sorry about the wind. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take it easy.